That is wicked. Like that. Boop. 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 It's recording me, and it's actually like doing it in like an auto tracing. That's something very cool. I've never seen that before. And it lets you zoom out too. Look at that. This here is a C6 2K Plus, a camera designed for pets as well as children, allowing you to have a built-in auto AI recognition system that detects both animals as well as humans and has a zoom capability. Now it also features a 360 panoramic view, 2K video, as well as two-way audio capability of wave recognition to go ahead and start that conversation. So overall, it sounds really cool. Now together we'll be unboxing it as well as trying it out and seeing exactly can it perform. So if you guys wanted your very own, check out the link down below in the description. And without further ado, let's open this thing up. Alright, so this here's our packaging, this here is our box. Kind of gives you an idea of what it looks like. It's like a ball with a camera on it and it kind of rotates. I don't know how it does with 360 view, but we'll see that in very short. As you kind of rotate it about, wave hand recognition, pet detection. I think that's one of the biggest things that they're trying to go after, that is designed for pets so you can go ahead and interact with your pet when you're not at home. And then over here, again, 360 panoramic view, color vision with starlight lens. I'm assuming that's a good lens. Auto zoom tracking, so it can go and track and zoom in on that item and follow item or person and kind of follow it around the room, which is kind of cool. Now it does have its own micro SD card port. Okay. First thoughts, definitely a little bit bigger than what I was expecting. I would say it's a little bit bigger than a size of a ball, like maybe like a softball for like, you know, soft baseball. But yeah, interesting stuff there. So as you kind of look at it, you can actually see it's got like this little friendly face, like it's sleeping. So that's kind of interesting. I did not know that it actually has like a sleep face on there. So the camera does come out when you use it and it can go back in whenever you're not using it. On the back here, I do see a little speaker port. And then also we have an Ethernet port. So that's kind of nice. So you can directly connect it to your internet, USB-C port to go, and I'm assuming to power it. And then it looks like a locking mechanism here on the bottom to keep it planted. Now over here is our micro SD card port. I believe this just kind of comes off. Yep, like that. So like a little rubber stopper there to go ahead and remove it. There's a reset button and a micro SD card port. And yeah, that is our camera. And then let's see what else is inside of here. A quick start guide with a QR code to go to our app. We have like a little accessory pet box here. So we have some mounting screws and then a mounting plate. So if you want to mount this on the wall, you can. It does come with a power block. That is great. You don't see that too often. Ceiling mounting drill tape. So you can mount this on a ceiling, meaning you can use it as like a security device. And then of course we do get our standard USB-C cable to power it up. So let's go ahead and set this thing up next and try it out. All right, so we are now plugging this thing in into a USB-C. It's got a very long USB-C cable. I like that. That's kind of cool. As soon as I plugged it in, there is a red LED indicating power. Oh, there you go. The camera just came out. And there it is. Whoa, look at it go. So we're going to click on the EZVIZ app next and connect to this. Looks like we have to create an account. All right, and now we've officially linked our phone, and we're going to click on Add Device and look for our specific camera. And it says we need to scan our QR code. This guy right here. So we're scanning this QR code and now we're adding our device. So the device is powered on. We're connecting it to the router. All right, so we're all set and ready to go. So this here's our main hub. Kind of shows you all the cameras that are listed here. So we only have one for right now. So if I click this, this will give me control over and see exactly what the camera is seeing. So if I kind of put it right there, you can see me talking. Now on the bottom here, it kind of shows you different clips that it's seen from before. So it does record different activity. Now if I happen to just kind of rotate my phone like this to the side, it gives us a bigger view of exactly what it's seeing. Now on the bottom left, you have a pause mode, so you can go ahead and pause it. You can play it. to get a live readout. You have your volume control, your snapshot, your record button. Then you have a manual control, which kind of enables like this analog toggle. So if I wanted to control it manually, I can move the camera about like this. See, you can see me there. I can move it left, I can move it right, I can move it down. And it does give you a full 360 view. Now there is a lock point, meaning you can't go in a full 360 circle. However, if you go all the way to the left, it'll stop, but you can go all the way to the right and kind of meet the other end. So it is kind of neat that it does give you the full control over it in terms of being able to use it. Now it's got the two-way audio, so you can speak through it. So I can access my microphone here and talk through it like this. Ouch. So obviously we're just too close to it, but yes, it does have the two-way audio, which is really nice. Now if I kind of rotate it back to the screen here, I do have all my controls here on the bottom, including 360 pictures. So this is kind of cool. So what it's going to end up doing is it'll take a 360 photo of everything. There we go. So right now it's doing a 360 photo. So the cameras, if you see it, it's actually rotating and it's creating a 360 snapshot of exactly what it sees around it. So this here's our 360 snapshot. Now other functions include like a wave detection. So if I wanted to talk to myself, I can just wave like this. There we go. So it started the conversation with that. So that's actually really cool that you can activate the camera. Now let's try the auto AI detection system here. Oh, look at that, it zoomed in on me. Oh wow, look, it's tracking me. That's so cool. So you can see the zoom function right there on the top. Look at this. So this here is going to be our zoom tracking. What the heck? That is wicked. Like that. Boop. 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 It's recording me. And it's actually like doing it in like an auto tracing. That's something very cool. I've never seen that before. And it lets you zoom out too. Look at that. All right, well anyways, it kind of gives you an idea what that's about. Overall, it's actually a really cool design concept. I think it's actually very unique for something of its size. Being able to do AI tracking and zoom tracking, we've never seen that before in a camera like that. And with that said, if you guys had any questions, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.